All right, everyone. So it sure felt like the market was on hold going into FOMC, which is tomorrow, 2 p.m. So keep that in mind. Generally, the 2 days before, the Monday and Tuesday before FOMC, can be absolutely boring. Some great calls in chat on TURB today. I'm going to go into those and I'm going to go right into the watch list. So TURB, massive move today, closing way off its highs. The first call, you know what? I actually have a screenshot. Never mind. I'll slide this up. First call was Nicholas through 7. And it ended up, I took the screenshot earlier, it ended up going to 20.45. So it's over a $13 move, which is crazy. That was Nicholas's entry. And if you missed it, I called the twos buy zone pullback. I know these are 5-minute candles. You can see right there it says 5 minutes. But I got filled at 8:11. See my fill right there? And it ended up just going nuts. It went to 20.45 from there. All right, let me put this up real quick for new people in the chat. Quick explanation. We start off with daily candles, looking for stocks that are in play, but then intraday entries I don't hold overnight. So with that in mind, let me go into what we're watching tomorrow. Quickly go back to the SPY daily, and then I'll start from there. All right, so we're basically sitting at all-time highs though, right? All right, so NNE, I want to watch the baby nukes, especially with Trump in England talking about nuclear power. I think there's some sort of deal with that. We had the big pop on NNE yesterday, quiet inside day today, so it goes on watch for a third day play. KSS is getting back up near recent highs. This one could squeeze. NIO, nice breakout today, could continue. UMAC drone play is getting up near recent resistance right around here. CRNC, nice volume today and a pretty strong close. TANH, also interesting over that, over this area right here. BBAI, big volume move. Over 200 million shares traded and a strong close. We want to watch that one. NFE. I called this an after hours over 2, right? Topped at 2. Went to 266. As I'm talking to you right now, it's trading at 245. So certainly goes on watch. Had good news. WBTN had a gap up and a pretty strong close. FLUX, massive move. Had earnings after hours and right now, as I'm talking, it's trading at 308. It went to 355 in after hours. Certainly deserves to be on watch. TURB, already talked about this one, closing way off its highs. So I'm not in love with it, but we are going to watch it. LTBR is basically moves with all the other, what we call the baby nukes, OKLO and NNE and all that. So had a big pop yesterday, kind of a quiet day today. CCCC. Today's high was right below yesterday's high, so maybe a third day play. And then I have trouble typing this symbol, UOKA. Nothing doing there, but in after hours, as I'm talking to you, it's trading at 331. Not a big gap up. It went to 410 at one point though, so we are going to watch it. Had news in after hours. And then ASST, putting back on bounce watch. Literally went out at the lows. Not a pretty chart, but it's, had good news with the merger with, was it Strive or something it's called? Anyway, and now back down near recent lows. To me, this is actually a good setup for a bounce play tomorrow, all right? Anyway, that's it for me. I'll see you guys in pre-market, and we'll add some gappers to this list.